Here is the tutorial for the abstract self-portrait. Sorry for the kind of messy setup. I was watching stuff while drawing, but to make an abstract self-portrait that's pretty loose and fun, what you'll need is a pen and a mirror or camera to look at yourself. You're going to draw all of your facial features that you see while looking on your piece of paper, but you're not going to lift up your pen. So as you just saw, I started with the circle of my eyes just to get a little placeholder, and then I started drawing in eyelashes, my nose, and the other eye, adding some small details like the eyelashes. And I'm doing my best not to lift up my pen. I just pause, look at my mirror, kind of see where or what my features look like, how they're placed, and do my best to replicate that without moving my pen too much. I did just lift it up, but I put it back where it started. I'm not making any major changes. Trying to just work in one line essentially. So going back and forth a lot until you get the shape you like. Trying to draw in any shadows, like spaces for the shadows and highlights, just to keep it separate. So think of this as a one line portrait. That's how you're going to make it abstract, by keeping your lines and shapes very loose. So I'm going to speed up the rest of it a little bit as you watch me draw it out. But all you need for this is a pen. A pencil will work as well. You just might have to push a little harder to see the lines. And after, we're going to color it. While you're working on this, please don't be too concerned about what it looks like and how accurate it looks. I'm speeding it up right here, but as you can see, I'm just doing my best to kind of get some representation of my face in. It's definitely not realistic, but that's not the goal, right? Just have fun with this really loose style of drawing. It should be pretty relaxing, and it's really, really quick to do. If you're a little scared of starting with your face, maybe use an object near you and just practice drawing things with one line only. It's super weird, but it's a fun thing to experiment with. You could stop here if you wanted, just have lines if that represents you. You can explain it in your rationale to me. But what I would do is either find objects that represent your identity a little more and include those in your portrait, so draw those in the same art style. But for me, I just chose to block in some colors. So I didn't film that part since I was just coloring normally. I was just doing one color in each section, so my skin was blue, and shirt was purpley red. And I chose this color palette because these are my favorite colors to work with as an artist. So I symbolize a part of my identity by picking colors that I really, really like to use as an artist. So that was how I showed my identity in this self-portrait. You can do a similar thing if you choose to, or you can change it up and adjust it so it is more exciting for you.